hope you're not fucking around up there, because I'm telling you now, if you play pranks on me, I'm going to wipe the floor with you. Whatever you're doing with the cling film or whatever, put it away now. I'm not even laughing. I'm not finding it funny at all. A moron, the child. No one. Go away, because I'm not feeling right, yeah? I should go away.
Why?
Go away.
You're my best friend, Mum.
I will break it off the thing.